is Natasha, and I'm here with the video. What is up with T? T, what's up with you, girl? Girl, let me tell you. In this video, I'm doing a makeup tutorial for beginners. I hope it helps you guys, and I hope it helps you see what to do with basic makeup. This is a basic look. I don't do a lot with makeup. I don't do a lot. I just do it straight to the point. It doesn't take no more than 30 minutes, including the eyelashes and the eyebrows. But I did not put this in this video because that's a struggle that I need to work on. But everything else, okay. Now, with that being said, smash that subscribe button, like and comment. I hope you enjoy my content and continue to watch my videos, cause your girl is quarantined, first of all, and your girl finna come with it because it's quarantine and I ain't got nothing to do. So stay tuned and follow up behind me, you know what I'm saying? Because I'm gonna give you some stuff to watch. Purr. Alright, y'all. Hey guys, the first thing I'm gonna start off with is a primer. And the purpose of a primer is to put a layer between the skin and the makeup. This also helps the makeup stay smooth and last longer. So the next thing I'm gonna apply is this HD Flawless Foundation. When I tell y'all, this foundation works so good. It makes my skin glow and everything, all of the above. I recommend this to anybody to use because it works wonders. So the next thing I apply is matte concealer. I personally don't put all those lines under my eyes or around my forehead, under my nose, under my mouth. I just do the triangular method under my eyes. I just put concealer on my forehead and I draw one line under my nose and under my mouth, and it works perfectly for me. So the next thing I'm going to apply is contour. And you guys, when I tell y'all, this contour palette was so inexpensive. And I was a little skeptical about it. I was like, why is this thing costing so less? But as I applied it and tried it, it really worked and it matched my skin perfectly. So therefore, I love it. As y'all can see, I'm applying a darker shade first. I forgot to show y'all which one I had put on my face, but it's really in order, so it's self-explanatory. This next thing I'm applying is CoverGirl Clean Professional Loose Powder. And I just got this yesterday or the other day, and I'm just trying it out for the first time. So with that being said, I don't know how it will turn out, but we will see. I'm not gonna wipe the powder off my face just yet. I'm gonna let it set a little bit, and I will move on to the next thing that I'm about to do, which is the eyeliner. And in the meantime, when I finish the rest of the things, I will then wipe off the powder that is set on my face. So here is my final look. It's very basic and it works for me. Boo boo. It's not too much and not too less. And it should help out any beginner just starting makeup. Thank you guys for watching my video. I really appreciate you guys. This is Tasha T, Entertainer T, signing out.